हेलो दोस्तों, आप सबको फिर से एक बार रिसर्च ट्रेड प्रॉफिट में वेलकम। आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस कॉल आफ्टर a long time. So many people were having a doubt like how is my trading going and how is the market. Like many people can see Nifty is drastically falling down from 12,000. It has almost given a correction of 1200. Now it is somewhere trading around 10,800 Nifty, and many people are lost their money in stock market. I just want to share some uh, very important techniques where people make money only in a falling market. 90% of people know only to buy some shares and hold for long time, and there is something called short selling where you can make really good money, and most of the people don't know how to make that. So in my next video, I am going to show, like I'm going to explain how short selling is going to be done and how you can make good profit in a falling market. In this video, I just want to share some WhatsApp messages which I shared with my paid clients. So you can watch here. This was the call in Bajaj Finance, and most of the people ask me why you give calls and what is the accuracy and all those things, and I can show you in live market with my trading proof. I can show you how I made a profit using the same tool which I provide to my clients. I'll share you my personal trading screen here. So keep watching this video, and if you are not subscribed to our channel, you can just subscribe our channel, and you can get the latest updates, and you can just message me in WhatsApp. I'll add you in my WhatsApp broadcast, so that you will get really good accurate calls. So let's not waste time, and I'll just move on with this calls. Bajaj Fin Service. Fin futures we given a buy at 12 o'clock 6 minutes. You can see this. With the chart I'll show you. Bajaj Fin Service. This was the call. This was the stock, and you can see the time here. 12 o'clock 6 minutes. Here you can see this time over in bottom. You can see the timer. This is the 5-minute chart I opened. I given buy at 7,000. You can see this 7,282 here. 7,282. Time is 12:06. You can see this. It came to our buying levels. This point. You can see this candle. From there it went up to 7358. 7282. From 7282 it went up to 7358. Almost 70 point it has went up, and using the same tool I have entered my position. I'll show you my zerodha terminal here. You can see this Bajaj Fin Service. I have taken a position. You can see over here Bajaj Fin Service. I have booked a profit of 3,452 rupees. Okay, this was the call in Bajaj Finance. Same way I'll open Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance, I think today I have not done that Muthoot Finance trader, but I'll show you in chart what was the result. This was the Muthoot Finance chart. You can see here buy was at 680 paisa. Same near this point 12 o'clock 6 minutes, because it didn't sustain. When I given a call at this point 12 o'clock here, it was not closing. It was not closing a proper candle closing was not there. This is my strategy where I explain whenever buyer signal gets the 5 minutes candle to sustain. Here we didn't get a proper signal, so I didn't enter, and after that it came down. This was a Muthoot call. And Infratel, I show you Infratel call. This was the Infratel. Timing is 12 o'clock 10 minutes afternoon. 252.60 paisa. 252.60 paisa here. 12 o'clock 10 minutes. This point I given a buy call. You can see this. After that, two times. This is also one up. movement, and again here also we got a up movement. Same stock I traded for myself, and in this stock actually I exited early because I don't wanted to take risk, so I exited early and I booked the loss of 1320 in cash market. You can see this here. I entered, but I didn't book the profit over here, and suddenly when market was coming down, so I thought I got panic and I just sold off. So I have booked a loss of infra 1320 rupees. I booked a loss in that stock. This was a call in infratel. And one more stock is PVR. These are all future stocks. I'm showing you a chart here. With this, using this chart, I have done my intraday trade in here. This is my zerodha terminal I have logged in. You can see this. This is my intraday trade. PVR. You can see this. 2548 rupees I have booked one time. With the chart, I can show you with the proof how I have done my trading. 12 o'clock 12 minutes. You can see this. 12 o'clock 12 minutes. Here, this point, we given a buy signal at the point of 1600. 1600 here. You can see this 1600. So it didn't went up much high. So PVR first time I just booked a 420 rupees profit over here. You can see this 420 profit I booked first in my first entry. Later again it came this point by 12 of 55 minutes. There I booked I bought at bottom levels, and from there in higher levels again I close the position. You can see this second entry I made 2548 rupees profit. This was the call in PVR. One more is ICICI Prudential. So many people have a doubt like how to trade, they don't know how to enter in market, how to exit in market. They never know, most of the people never know where exactly we have to enter in a stock. And you can see these calls, ICICI Prudential 422 buy. Here you can see this was a pointer, and you can see the time over here 12 o'clock 22 minutes. Here I got a buy call from 422 to it went up to only 1 rupee. It jumped ICICI Prudential. Here you can see this, as it was just a 400 rupee stock. I 2-3 times I immediately in 50 paisa I entered, and I made some profit of 2300 in this ICICI Prudential. You can see over here in bottom level I used to buy, and immediately I used to sell, because if you see this level you will get an idea that where exactly you can enter and what is the range you can immediately do buy sell. If you get this kind of catch in the market, if you get this kind of hold in the market, definitely you can make some profit. Okay, only thing is you have to be very careful when doing intraday trading, and we have to be very quick in. You should not neglect the moment, or you should not wait for some more time or nothing like that. Whenever you get profit, you have to keep just booking the profit. Then only you can make profit in intraday. Same thing again in Kotak Bank. You can see over here Kotak Bank. I'll open Kotak Bank futures, because all the calls whatever I given, it is all call in this one futures. You can see this Kotak Bank 1470. Here we had a buy signal. At what time? 12:20. You can see this time 12:20 here. This point 14:20. You can see this point here. Immediately as soon as I bought, it went up to 72, 79. 9 points it has went up. Then how I got benefit? This was my benefit. 3400 rupees I booked immediately. Okay. First trade I made some around 1500. Then again when it came this point, you can see here from 1470 it went up this much, and again somewhere I bought 71 and 75 I sold. You can see this 75. 4 points difference I booked a profit. 50 shares, 100 shares, like that I used to do jobbing in equity market using this covering order. You can see this For all the stocks, for all entry, I have used covering order, because covering order will get more margin. Okay, you can see over here, because in this PVR you can see MIS order I placed. That is the reason immediately I covered, because it was taken consume more margin. So then I exited and again I took position in covering order. You can see this bracket also trade morning in Raymonds. You can see over here. These are all my trades. If you see, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Out of 11 trades, you can see the losses here. Very few stocks I made the losses. You can see over here. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 times in 3 entry I made a loss. Out of 11, 3 entry I made loss and remaining I made a profit. So this is how it will work. Only thing is you have to be very careful and we have to always exit whenever you see the profit. Immediately you have to enter and exit. This is how we give calls in WhatsApp, and this is how you can see the profit. 11,400 is my intraday profit over here. And if you want to understand more about this strategy, you can visit my website researchtradeprofit.com. You can just fill a form over here. And we will be calling you and giving the live demo. In that live demo, you'll come to understand how the things will work, and you can subscribe our services. This is the strategy where we try to explain the little bit. You can see over here. Sometimes we get a breakout strategy. Sometimes we get a swing strategy. All the strategy we will explain our premium service. You can join our premium service and utilize this opportunity to clearly understand the day trading, and I hope it will definitely help you in your future trading, and you may be very confidently you can trade in coming days. And don't worry about the market will always have ups and downs. This is the downtrending market now, and according to me, again further I am expecting a bigger fall than what we are in now, around 10,000. You can see this. I'll just open the Nifty chart here. This is the Nifty. This is where Nifty trading at 10,800, 10,850, and I still expect a bigger fall than what it has given these days, from 11,000 to 10,800 within short time. But I am expecting bigger fall, and I according to me it may come up to 10,300 in a very short time. You can see this 10,800. We can expect 10,300 in short term. We can expect this point. Once if it closes below 10,800, then further downside fall what we can expect. That is what my prediction is in this market. And again, you can just refer your advisors for confirm calls. This is just my view on the market, and I hope you got some idea on how things will work. If you have any doubt, you can just call me over my WhatsApp number. This is my website, and you can just call me or contact me any moment so that I can help you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. Happy trading.